Are you ready to unlock a secret that can transform your business? What if I told you there's an unbelievable advantage hiding in plain sight? It's all about sales and marketing working together. First, imagine supercharged growth. When sales and marketing align, your customer acquisition skyrockets. Marketing creates a flood of qualified leads, and sales converts them with laser precision. This synergy propels your business to new heights. Next, you'll understand your customers like never before. Marketing gathers insights, while sales gets direct feedback. Together, they build a 360-degree view, leading to products and services customers truly want, enhancing satisfaction and loyalty. Think about saving time and money. No more wasted marketing spend on the wrong audience. No more sales team chasing cold leads. It's pure efficiency, boosting your bottom line and maximizing resources. And what about your brand? A united front means consistent messaging, leading to a stronger, more trustworthy brand reputation. Customers will know, like, and trust you more, enhancing your market position. So how does this magic happen? It's about shared goals, open communication, and using the right tools to keep everyone on the same page. The advantages are truly unbelievable, but very real. Ready to unleash this power in your business? Like, subscribe, and tell us which advantage excites you most.